What up, y'all? It's CeneciaNyree, and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so today I will be showing you guys how to make healthy, quick, and easy breakfast. Okay? But I am a full-time mom and a full-time worker, so a lot of times I don't have a lot of time to be making a full course breakfast, but I do need to be able to eat breakfast, eat something for my breakfast and lunch. So I'm going to show you guys how to make something simple, quick, and easy, but pretty filling, and it's going to make you last throughout the day. But also, for this to be able to work, you have to have your gallon of water too, because it's not a full course meal. So if you eat what I show you and drink the water, you'll be fine until you eat your meal prep for the day. But if you don't drink your water, you're going to be hungry, you're going to want to eat something else, you're going to be snacking, you're going to be going to the vending machine if you're not drinking your water. You have to drink your water throughout the day to help yourself train your stomach to not want to eat a whole bunch of junk, okay? But yeah, so let's go to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you about 5 things that's quick and easy that you guys can, that you can also prep the night before for your breakfast the next day. But alright, so let's get into it. Yeah. And I'm hungry too, so I can't wait to eat all of this stuff. What up, y'all? So I'm in the kitchen. I just got everything prepped for you guys, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. So I got 5 meals for you guys. I haven't cooked them yet, or I haven't really got them all together. So this is just all the things that you guys need for the 5 things that I'm cooking. So I got avocado toast, avocado with the toast. This 21 whole grains and seeds is one of the best breads I ever tasted. I love it so much. Dave's Killer Bread. Definitely recommend. And then over here in the corner, I got some not leftover, but some overnight oats. And for that, you will need to prep it. To prep it, you will need some almond milk or whatever milk you guys like to drink, with some cinnamon, and you can put a little bit of sugar in it. And then next, and then also I have a bunch of fruit, because a lot of these things that I'm eating today includes fruit, so I just put a lot of fruit in here. I got some blueberries, berries, strawberries, and yeah, so I'm gonna put some of these in my oats and stuff, but I'll let you guys see that when I'm done prepping everything. I'm gonna make some egg cups. You can prep these the night before and warm them up, or you guys can, or they're really easy. They only take about like 20 minutes to cook, 20 to 30 minutes to cook, but it's really easy. You just put onions. I got some ham, some cheese. You can put mushrooms, peppers, whatever you would like in them. I will even top it off with some avocado on top of it once it's done. You guys will see when it's all done. And then over here, I got some 100% whole grain Kodiak cakes, flapjack and waffle mix, whole wheat, oats, and honey. I absolutely love these. They are super healthy and they taste really healthy. So if you're not a big fan on things that taste like protein, I definitely don't recommend for that one for you guys. But also a good idea, because at first it was hard for me to eat those. I will mix it. I will mix that with the Bisquick, and it would just be, it will still be healthy but not healthy, but it's just a mixture of both. So so you guys can definitely try that. I'm not gonna mix that in today with it. And then also I have these protein muffin mix, but I only have 1 of these, so I can't make these for you guys. But I'm going to start making my own muffins once I get all the stuff that I need, like yeast and all that, to be able to bake my own things. I'm gonna show you guys how to bake your own muffins, and once I figure out how to make them very good and delicious, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that also. But yeah, so you're gonna need some coconut oil, I got some organic eggs right here, and then I'm also gonna make some crepes. I got some flour and sugar mixed together in here. I love crepes. That's definitely my go-to. I wake up every morning craving a crepe. It's not the healthiest thing, but if you put lots of fruit on it and just eat two, they're not as bad. Especially they're not as bad as pancakes, because I feel like pancakes is a lot thicker, but I use regular flour when it comes to the crepes, because so it's not healthy at all compared to these Kodiak cakes. So all of this food. So yeah, I will be back when I'm in the process of cooking all of this stuff, and yeah, so I'll see you in a minute, you guys. Alright guys, so things are slowly coming together. So for the overnight oats, all you need is a little bit of sugar, some oats, ground cinnamon, and then some milk. I have my oats right here. And yeah, so then for the pancakes, all you need to do is mix this with some water. It's only me, and I don't only need one pancake, so I just make a little bit. Yeah, and then here are the crepes. I don't put in the regular stuff that's supposed to be in crepes. I just put an egg, flour, sugar, and water, and it comes out just how I like it. And then I have my bread in the toaster. And then for the quiche, I put ham, 2 eggs, the cheese. You can put some seasoning in it, and I only have this little thing. I can only make 6 of them, so I only use 2 eggs. You don't need that many. I like to cook the eggs, I mean not the eggs, but cook the onion a little bit, so it won't be as strong when I take a bite of the egg bites. Alright guys, so everything's all done and it's all prepped. These egg cups are so good. Yeah, so everything is all done. Got a pancake with some fruit on top. It's a protein pancake. And then we have a crepe with some fruit and some peanut butter. Pretty healthy, really filling. We have some overnight oats with some strawberries and berries inside of it. Very yummy and healthy. We got some avocado toast. It's really filling, especially if you drink it with a smoothie. Oh, I forgot the smoothie. We got some egg bites right here. My blender is a single blender, and you can just put everything in here the night before, then put some juice or some milk inside of the blender and blend it right up. And that's a perfect go-to for that. Only 2 meals a day, so I like to put avocado in my smoothies and eat avocado on the side too, because it's just really filling and it's a healthy fat. But yeah, so this is my meals. Looks very good. Alright guys, alright, so I only got through the crepe. I'm way too full to touch any of this other stuff, so yeah, but see, it's very filling. Okay, all the stuff that I just showed you guys how to cook is really filling, and it will get you guys through the day, and you guys will lose the weight that you guys want to lose. Just drink your water. I got another water right here. All this is different gallons of water in different sections of my house, because I'm that serious about about drinking water. I have different gallons in different sections of my house. My house is yay big. So, but yeah, so I always want to constantly remind myself to drink water and drink lots of water. But yeah, so it's CeneciaNyree, and I am out this V. I'm gonna go edit some videos for you guys and just relax with my son. And yeah, so Have a good one, you guys. Bye.